So we're going to do a calla lily now. So I'm just picking up white acrylic this time. Fairly big bead. Take that liquid out the back and place it onto the Arabella form. Brush to a point. Wait for that to start setting. You're going to get this bead to a point before it sets fully. And then let it set a bit more. But again, get your brush back to a point, any liquid out of it. So we're waiting for that matte consistency on that bead. Press it, if it bounces back it's not ready. Okay, that's ready now. So belly of your brush to press it out. And then you're going to fold these tabs at the bottom back in. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of yellow, really small amount of yellow, into the centre and blend it in, just to give the centrepiece a little bit of colour. Then we're going to pick up some orange, take the liquid out of the back of that bead, place it right down there near the bottom of the flower, and then spread it up. Press it together, and this is going to make the stem inside. So side of your brush, pressing it back together. Then you're going to pick up another bead of white. Take the liquid out the back and place it on the bottom of the flower. Pressing it up over those side pieces there. And just blend it on. And then use the tip of your brush to lift that front bit forward, so that the flower's got a nice amount of depth just there. Then we're going to move on to the stem, the leaf stem. Place your bead on, and drag it down to a point. So it wants to be thicker here and coming down to thinner. So you're just running your brush down that stem. And then we're going to add a leaf onto this. Going into two different greens and a white, quite a big bead. Place it on. Again, we're doing a leaf here, so we're going to get it straight into a point before it starts setting. And then you're going to turn your brush into a knife, and you're actually going to separate that leaf by drawing a line straight through it. Once that leaf started to set, use your brush to press into it. And that's a lily and a leaf done.